Okay, good afternoon. Okay, now today I am going to explain you about means and coin structures of communication in Nepal. So now the following are the some of the important means of communication in Nepal. Number one is was postal service, telecommunication service, okay, radio broadcasting service, television broadcasting, newspaper, internet. So now first postal service. The postal service is the oldest means of communication used by people in Nepal. Postal service was established in 1935 BS, and postal service department and office under this department have been rendering service such as issuance of postal stamps, operation of postal servicing bank, money order service, express mail service, and e-postal center service apart from delivering letter and package. So this is that what postal service means. It is the oldest service. Okay, oldest means of service provided in Nepal, and it was established in 1935 BS. And this postal service department provided this postal service, and along it, receiving and sending letters. It also does many other work also, like sales of postal stamps, operation of postal service bank. Also, it also runs postal service bank. Money order service also, express mail service also, e-post, telecenter service also. Okay, these are also actually it does. The present scenario under the postal service department comprises 4 central offices. How many central offices? 4 central offices, 4 regional postal offices, and 842 area postal office, and 3074 additional post office. For the purpose of tracking all postal objects online, PITS, Postal Internal Tracking System, has been initiated in 72 districts. So advanced, by the improvement technology. Now at present advanced, many people they use telephone mostly instead of sending letter and receiving letter. So to go according to the present times and situations, now to this advanced, government also has established the postal service also they have established one online systems which is called PITS. So that is called Postal Internet Tracking Systems. Okay, now which is also established in all the 72 districts of Nepal. Now telecommunication service. Now telecommunication service. The use of telecommunication service is rapidly increasing in Nepal. The reason is that number of service providers and service user is increasing very fast. The telecommunication service has gained both quantitative and qualitative growth due to the ability of latest high-tech telecom service in the country. The list of service provider and number of users is given in tables. Now, actually, that telecommunication service is another service which is also provides proper communication service in Nepal, and this telecommunication service is increasing rapidly because as the number of people are increasing, and they are more fascinated with this telecommunication service, so it is also increasing very fast. And telecommunication service has increased not only quantitatively, in quality also has increased because at present advanced due to increase in technology, due to increase in high-tech, latest telecom service, the quality of telecom services has been increasing. Now is one table given there in a book. You can see the tables. Nepal Telecom Limited, customers it has 2 crore 23 lakh 20,879, and NCL Private Limit it has 1,71,057. So 1 crore 71,057 lakh 358. So United Telecom Limited also has STM Telecom Sansar Private Limited also, Nepal Satellite Telecom Private Limited also, now Smart Telecom also is there, now 20 lakh 91,257, and also are there 2,902. So altogether advanced 4 crore 15 lakh 80,399. 96 customers are there, who are taking this telephone service. Now, radio broadcasting service. Okay, Radio Nepal is the oldest mass communication electronic media in Nepal with countrywide coverage. It was established in 1953. Its service says throughout short wave and medium wave reach all over the country. So Radio Nepal has established FM relay center at 4 different places to expand and extend its services. Now, the radio broadcasting service means Radio Nepal is the oldest mass communications electronic media, because with the help of radio, at a single times, it can communicate to the mass, means it can communicate to the, lot of peoples, and it is one of the, mass, oldest mass electronic media, and which was established in 1950, and with the help of short wave and medium wave, it has reached all over the world, and it also has established some, FM relay center at 4 different places to expand its radio broadcasting services. An agreement was signed with the government of Japan for financial assistance to upgrade and modernize its short wave and medium wave transmission and the work in progress. It has medium wave stations in all 5 development regions of the country, and these stations, besides broadcasting song and other school programs, broadcast news and various languages also. And I said that the government of Nepal it also has signed with the agreement with Japan for financial assistance to upgrade and modernize this short wave and medium wave to transmit or to improve these radio broadcasting services. And it has medium wave station in all 5 development regions of the country, and it also does broadcasting of songs, other useful programs, and also it does broadcasting of news in different languages. Okay, Radio Nepal broadcasts news in Nepali, English, Sanskrit, Bhojpuri, Tamang, Hindi, Maithili, Tharu, Newari, Devanta, Gurung, Awadhi, Limbu, Magar, Sherpa, Kham, Magar, Rana, Tharu, Rutali language. So it's that Radio Nepal, along with Nepal, it also does, broadcasting of news in Nepal with the help of many other languages. Okay. Now, television broadcasting. Television broadcasting service is an effective mass of communication electronic media. Nepal television is the oldest and most watched television channel in Nepal. Now, another word means television is another word means electronic, communication media, which also communicates in mass. And Nepal television is the oldest and most watched television channel in Nepal. It was established in January 1985 AD. At present, there are altogether 170 television channels which transmits license for TV broadcasting services. So at present, what means there are 170 television channels in Nepal which has taken license for broadcasting television services. However, only 51 television channels are in operations. And government on Nepal television, by virtue of its access to satellite, has coverage throughout the country and in foreign countries. So it means, although it means 170 television channels taken as license, but at present it means only 51 television channels they are in operations. And with the help of satellites, the government of Nepal, it has coverage. It's not only in Nepal, it also has coverage with foreign countries also. Okay, 70% of total population has access to Nepal television broadcasting, and 52% of the total land area inside the country, and its broadcasting is available in 146 countries. So, means 72% of people, they have access to this Nepal television broadcasting, and 52% of land, total lands, out of 100 land, 52% of total land, they have access to this broadcasting systems. And it is said that 146 countries of the world, they have availability of this Nepal broadcasting, television, Nepal television broadcasting systems. Now other newspaper. A newspaper is a periodic publication containing written information about current events. The newspaper are the best source of information and knowledge which can cover a wide variety of fields such as politics, business, sport, art. Issued by mid-March 2020, the number of newspapers registered in various districts of Nepal has reached 7,801. Among these, 741 are daily, 39 bi-weekly, and 2,953 weekly. 474 fortnight, and 2,342 monthly, 384 2 monthly, 646 quarterly, and 38 3 semesterly, 87 half yearly, 93 annually, and 8 others. The major newspaper which have wide coverage are Gorkhapatra, Kantipur, Nepal Samachar Patra, Annapurna Post, etc. So newspaper is another offense. Periodic publication containing what? In written informations. With the help of written forms, what means? It also plays important role to convey messages, transmit message to different part of the world. And it is also one of the mass communication media, and it is also one of the best source of informations, and which provides knowledge on the variety of field such as politics, business, sports, etc. And here are some records. You can see that records are there. Okay, Internet. The Internet is the global system of interconnected computer network that use the Internet protocol suite to link devices worldwide. It is the easiest and fastest means of communication in the modern world. The Internet has millions of smaller domestic academic business and the government network, which together carry many different kind of informations. It is very useful research, education, marketing and live communication, entertainment and social networking, banking, health, etc. The number of internet users in Nepal is increasing rapidly. At present, there are more than 15 million internet users in Nepal. The internet users of different services price in percentage is given below. So it means internet is one of the global system of interconnected computer networks. It is one of the fastest and easiest means of communications, and number of internet users at present are using increasing rapidly. And with the help of this internet also means lot of information transfer to different part of the world, not only in Nepal, in different part of the world. So with the help of this internet service means many things are communicated to the different part of the world. So at present means more than 15 million internet users are there in Nepal. Okay, so today in this video, now I have explained you about what the current system of communication and in Nepal. Okay, thank you all of you.